Alright, we're gonna try fixing this Yamaha Raptor, I believe. We got it from a family member. I'm just fixing it up for him. I think it's a 660. The battery's dead, so I don't know what's wrong with it right now. I think he said it leaks fuel, so let's get off the seat and charge the battery. Alright, let's get the seat off. So we got extra battery, or not extra, here's the battery. Random wires. Okay, so we got loose cables. That's alright. Let's try and get this battery out. Just like that. We're charging the battery. So let's wait for this to charge and then, yeah. Alright, so the battery won't charge, so we're just gonna try bump starting it real quick. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we just drained out all the gas right now. I think I gotta pull the carburetor because it started leaking. Alright, so we already started replacing the gaskets on the bottom for the bowl. Because I thought that's what the problem is, but it turns out there's a little O-ring, I guess, on one of the jets that went out. So I already took off the front plastic, the tank, and then I found a battery that works. Let's try and get this carburetor apart and replace the O-ring. Alright, so we ended up flipping the carb over. And we're going to get these 4 screws off one of these bowls. And then get to that jet to replace the gasket. Alright, so let's start cracking these 4 screws off. Yeah, take off the screw. Take out the bowl. Or the float, I mean. Take this screw out. Counting on some pliers. Take this out. And then you see the gasket right here. It's basically flush with the metal and it's pretty cracked. So that's what we're gonna replace. There's the old gasket. It's already starting to crack. You're gonna come in with a new one. I don't know what size it is. Bring it over the thing. And then we're gonna shove it in the hole. Nice and flush. You're gonna come in with the screw with the little almost washer first. Screw it back in. Alright. You're gonna come in with the float. sure it's facing downwards. Make sure that little point thing goes inside of the hole. Finally, you're going to come back in with the bolt, the new gasket. You can flip over the card like I do right now. Over, turn in the 4 screws. Alright, so I finally got the bits on. It's really snug in there. So then you're gonna come in with these little tubes. Get them back on these golden things.